Any attempts. Phone overheating.
That's not good.
Temperature critical. Contact fire department. Using another phone.
Hey, Piper, you need me to help you with your... Oh, it's Piper's phone. Hey, Piper, your phone's on the ground. Push me! That way!
Help me! Get me out! Oh, these balls smell like feet and pee! Oh, this is it for me! I've been hoisted by my own petard!
The bang bottle!
Oh, man! What do we do with this?
We give the baby his bottle.
Ah, good call.
Hey.
What's up?
Hurry.
Oh, right.
Kid danger! Nice work, Kid Danger. You got skills. Hey, what's that beeping? I don't know. Dude, did you forget to turn off the pulse grenade? Oh, no.
Put that in here, pull back on this, and aim it at Ray.
Are you insane?
Yeah, do it! Charlotte!
What?
Don't miss!
Oh, what's that?
Dang, dude!
Hey! What exploded?
This is taking too long. It's hammer time.
What? No, 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 no. Here, move that.
I'm free. How long was I in there?
101 million years, and I can't believe you're still alive.
Hey, listen. I've had a long time to think about our argument.
No, you know what, dude? It's over, okay? Don't worry about it.
No, let me just say this. I was 100% right.
Oh, my God.
What are you doing? That's it! That's the C5 disruptor! Well, how do we turn it off? We're running out of time! Stop there! Open the window! Throw in the alley! It's stuck! God, move, kid!
quality window! I can't turn it off! What? Let's get out of here!
What? I left my phone in there. Oh, man. I gotta go get it. No, just buy a new phone. But I haven't backed up my contacts. Shit. No, don't get your phone. Okay. You really should hurry! I got it! Great! Now hurry!
Kid! My phone's okay!
Ooh, I want to try something.
Oh, no. You don't need to try.
Dude, I don't Schwaz, it's probably not a good idea.
Schwaz, what are you gonna do with the
Thing,
arrow?
man.
Schwaz,
She
I
worked
don't
hard.
need
Schwaz, stop!
Look how the hula
Wait a minute. You didn't disarm it. You just cut the wire to the timer display. Ah, you idiots did nothing. This device is still live.
Yeah, we know.
But now we're the faster back, and you're out there with the boomsday device.
We'll see you again, Frittleman. When ducks fly. That'll never hurt us.
Frittles.
Sorry, Dad, but it's time for you to...
Ow! My face! You hit Frittleman in the face!
Well, it was a ricochet.
It was a ricochet. Hugo! Chavez! Help! There's something in my face!
Everyone, this is Danny Tanner, Frittles employee. I work here. Hello. What do you want me to say? Run!